Hey YouTube, and thanks for watching Junkworks Garage. The other day I was watching The Bearded Thrifter, and he was talking about these ratchet straps and how he doesn't understand how to put them together. He has trouble figuring them out. So I thought I'd do a little video on this for those of you that have that same problem. Now, I don't care if this and this are the same direction on both sides and things. If you care about that, you'll have to go through the whole thing and figure out which side is what. Take this piece here and I'll ratchet it until that is going straight across like that. And then I make sure this side is up, take the end of this and bring it straight through, up through that right there. Then I'll set that down, and this is for those of you that want to do this, I'll fold that in half and I'll actually put a little knot in it like that. That way when you go to pull this out, it won't come out again. So then you have that right there. Put a few wraps in it, however you want to do it. But this makes it so, if you go that direction, that the one that's always on top, no matter what you're doing, the one that's on this one is the one that you pull to tighten. So I got this one, the top one, hooked over there on my door. But when you want this to come loose, you'll open this all the way up, pull the top one, push it all the way back, and then it'll loosen up. If you don't push this all the way back, then it's a real pain in the butt to pull these off. Actually, it's the bottom one, I should say. The top one's the one that you're always going to want to tighten with. The bottom one is the one you loosen with. Because usually, when you're ratcheting things, you're kind of ratcheting like this, and this usually winds up on top. So that way the string with the knot on it on top is the one you're going to want to pull, so it tightens it all up, and then you want to ratchet again. So that's the way I do it anyhow. And then when I get done, I fold these up just around in a circle. Sometimes I got to see which way. Sometimes if you look at it from both directions here, whichever way works, fold it up so that this doesn't stick out too much. Sometimes some of them you got to fold this over like that, but I'll take that now and I'll just wrap this around like this until I wind this all the way up. Then when you're all said and done, I put these Ranger bands. I got a video on this. It's just a rubber band cut down, and I put that on those, and I can put them away. They don't get all tangled together and messed up. So there's a few tips and tricks on these ratcheting straps. Hopefully you all enjoyed that. Now get out there and get your junk working. Thanks for watching Junkworks Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.